Hello everyone, so this is my way of pressing in the bushing. This is for the rear trailing arm on a Honda Civic, but it works for many cars. All you need is a strong vise. You just press them in. No need for a press. You may sometimes need an extension for the vise. I've got my handy exhaust pipe waiting for that. So what I'm using to press it in is an old bearing on one side and an old bolt cage for a CV shaft on the other. And you keep on going until you think you're about the correct way. Check it out. Looks about right, and then you measure it out, check, and that's about it. Easy.